Yay! All right, we're gonna get the show on the road. I live right by a highway, so if you hear cars, they're right out there on the highway, so. Sometimes all a piece of furniture needs is a little bit of work to make a huge difference. I love taking a piece of decor and just envisioning all the ways it could be refreshed and transformed and just really taken to the next level in its design. Introducing this dresser. This dresser was something that my mother-in-law was trying to get rid of. It wasn't in the best condition. It had some structural damage, it had some sticky residue on the front, but when I saw it, I immediately noticed clean lines, cute shaker-style drawer fronts, and overall, something I knew I just had to take home and fix up. So I put down a drop cloth and got to work. I used Goo Gone to remove the sticky residue, and then I used some water mixed with pine sol just to get all the extra dirt and dust off. So I gave it a good wipe down with that. Next thing I did was prime everything. I used a pretty standard wall primer just because it was what we had on hand, and I just put one coat of it on that. The paint I used was Urbane Bronze by Sherwin-Williams. Now when I was looking for this paint, I knew I wanted something a little darker, a little moodier almost. I didn't want to go full on black or dark gray. Nothing wrong with those colors, it just wasn't what I was feeling for this dresser. This color was exactly what I was envisioning. I was gonna get it in an eggshell finish, but when I went to order it at Lowe's, the employee actually told me, hey, why don't you get this in a satin finish instead? It's gonna clean off better for you, and I'm really happy with that, so that's what I went with. The last step was to find some new hardware for the drawers. I ordered these champagne gold ones off of Amazon. They're beautiful. I loved how it was like almost like an antique kind of vibe, and I was so excited to put them on. But when I went to put them on, I realized the screws were too long to even tighten them in. So I ordered some shorter screws from Amazon, like 1/2 inch is what I needed. And they didn't fit either. They were too small. So then I had to go to Ace Hardware, I had to find the right type of screws, and I actually took one of the knobs with me so I could like test it out on the different screws just to make sure like it wasn't another strikeout, you know? So I did that and it fit perfectly and I was able to put my hardware on. After that, we were done. My husband helped me carry the dresser upstairs so I could style it, and here's how it turned out. Encourages you to see beauty in things that aren't finished yet. If you're ever able to make some time to bring new life to something in your home, you're not only creating a beautiful space that you love, you're also taking the initiative to bring out the potential you're seeing in any given piece of decor. You're not stopping at, oh, wouldn't that be cute if? You're saying, hey, that would be cute, and I think I can find a way to make that happen. And that's where creativity really starts coming to life. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. When is a time in your life when you felt the most creative? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.